Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from DeSeeker. Now this here is their DS09. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this light. It comes in this box. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the specs. As you can see there, 1380 lumens on the highest output there. Now if you need more time to read these, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's open it up, see what's in. Here's the user manual. And you have one magnetic charging cable. Pretty nice. One set of O-rings, one small lanyard, literally, that's pretty small. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Does have a clip here, and it's got some good resistance on there. There's the charging port. Comes in handy. Now it doesn't really find the sweet spot too easy on itself. You definitely want to make sure that that lines up just right. You definitely want to make sure that that lines up when you go to do it. It's not going to automatically find the sweet spot when you're charging it. Does have a side switch here. Does have some grooves on the body here, the head, and here. Tail clicky. Now this does have a nice style and design. Compact, easily fit in your hand, tactical use, or everyday carry. Now the machining and finish on this is nice, more of a semi-gloss to that. Now you can table stand that if you need. Now this is a complete kit, it does come with a battery. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the smooth reflector. This is running the Cree XM-L2V3 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take it apart, and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. It does have a little protection piece there. You want to remove that. Show you the tail spring. Pretty heavy duty on that. Well greased threads. Take this out. Let's go ahead and show you the battery that it comes with here. It's an 18650, 2600 milliamp. This is a protected cell. Protection piece is on the bottom rather than at the top. Now, my understanding, this is an 8 amp cell, so it is protected, so should provide plenty of power for this light. Now, it's nice, you can run other 18650s in here. Now, this does have a spring, as you can see there, so you can run flat tops in here if you don't have any button tops available. So that's another plus. Now we're going to go ahead and put this back together. Now let's go over the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Turn that on, you can see it on the table there. Lowest light output. Now using the side switch, you're going to click to go through those light outputs. Show you the beam type. As you can see, there's combination beam. You can see bleeding around the edge of that hot spot. Nice cut off there on the spill. Same light output from the tip of that hot spot all the way out to the edge. So that's nice. Doesn't kind of like fall off. A lot of light output actually. Now this is a cool white. It's 6000K. That's the highest output there. And then you're back down to the lowest light output. Now if you do want the special modes, you're going to press and hold that side switch to get strobe. And that is a constant rate on the flash. So now you can go ahead and click the side switch again. Goes back to the last light output that you had it on. This does have memory mode, but at the highest output. So now you can use it as a tactical pressure switch action going there. Once you got it on the light output that you want, full press it, and you're ready to go. So that is a big plus for a lot of people. Alright. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the DeSeeker. So let's go ahead and get started, see how it does. And believe it or not, it is on. Real low lumen output there. It's great for up close. That's what you're looking for. You can barely see my car there. Alright. We're going to go to the next level. See how it does here. There we go. Button is a little hard to find, but once you got your finger on it, you're good. 65 feet to this tree here from where I'm standing. 35 feet to the water spout. And if you have any questions on my distancing I'm going to start leaving links to that because I get a lot of questions about it. I'm going to start leaving it a link in there so they can refer to it anytime they doubt my distances. Alright, let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Nice even spacing on the light outputs. And this does have some range on it. That's 138 feet to the famous Tree of Life. Lost all its color the winter months. Really cold out here too. About 32 degrees. Alright, let's go to the next level. See how it does. Wow. Nice light output. And it is faintly making it across the park to the playgrounds there. Lighting that tree up a lot better now. And making it to the school there, as you can see. Do a before and after here. Nice combination beam on this. Impressive. There's the highest output there. Look at that. Do a beam profile here. All the way behind my hand. A lot of light output. And this does have some pretty good range there, as you can see. To those playgrounds even better. Nice even spacing on the UI. Faintly making that tree behind the Tree of Life here. 238 feet to that tree. Making the school even better now. Before and after again. Give you that idea. Not bad performance on this light at all. It's always nice to see new companies coming out. Especially budget-friendly lights, which are my favorite. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice light output. Really nice combination beam performance on this light. The cool white is not too cool, but it is probably 6K, maybe a little bit more, not by much. So if you're wanting the highest output that you can get, the neutral white, of course, you lose the intensity compared to the cool white, and it's kind of a 50-50 for me. I really like the 5K in the combination beam, but the cool white does just fine for me. As far as floodlight, now I kind of like the 5K. Now I do prefer 5K for my floodlights whenever possible, because I'm not a huge fan of the floodlights. You're showing such a huge area, and with the cool white you kind of lose the color renditions, and that's not really that appealing in my opinion. Alright, so now I'm going to bring out power bank kind of show you what it does when it's charging. Manufacturer wanted me to show this to you guys. You're going to turn that on, showing there, charging. The battery's fully charged, as you can see here. Actual LED showing charging status is on the power switch itself. Shows that it came disconnected there, so I'm going to do it again. There's the charging status. My understanding it was on the cable itself, but it's not. As you can see there, turn it on again. There's the charging status showing red and blue. Shows that it's complete. Normally that would be blinking if it was charging, and it's not showing any drain here on the power bank, so that's what it looks like. My understanding when they told me it was on the power cable itself, but it's right here on the power side switch. Alright. So all in all, this is a nice quality light. Not seeing any issues there with build quality, that is. The beam performance is impressive, especially for its size, and especially what you'll pay for it, which is actually pretty budget friendly. Alright, well, I want to thank DeSeeker for sending me this DS09 to review. Now remember, this is a complete flashlight kit. Comes with everything you need to get started. Now if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description. I'm also working on a special discount code for this light as well. If I get that, I'll put that there with the link. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from DeSeeker to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.